Forget everything you know about classic Mustangs. This 275,000 1967 Fastback called Layla hides a supercharged 541 Ci monster under the hood that turns a legend into a street weapon. The 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback is one of the most recognizable shapes in automotive history. Its long hood, aggressive fastback roofline, and unmistakable muscle car attitude created an icon that continues to capture the imagination of collectors around the world. But every once in a while, a Mustang appears that completely changes the meaning of a classic Restomod. This is one of those machines. Introducing the incredible 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback Layla Pro Street Restomod, a custom-built masterpiece that combines vintage American muscle with extreme modern engineering. This is not simply a restored Mustang brought back to life. This is a professionally crafted performance machine built to dominate the street, command attention at car shows, and deliver an experience that few vehicles can match. With an estimated value between $250,000 and $350,000, this Mustang represents the highest level of craftsmanship, customization, and performance. Every component has been carefully selected and engineered to create a vehicle that respects the original Mustang heritage while pushing the limits of what a classic muscle car can become. At first glance, the 1967 Fastback design immediately tells a story. The iconic roofline, muscular stance, and aggressive proportions represent one of Ford's greatest eras, but the Layla build takes that legendary silhouette and transforms it into something far more intimidating. The Pro Street attitude is impossible to ignore. The wide stance, massive rear tires, and performance-focused appearance make it clear this Mustang was built for serious power. The heavily tubbed rear wheel wells allow this machine to carry enormous drag-style tires, giving it the aggressive appearance of a race car while maintaining the elegance of a show-quality classic. But the real excitement begins when the hood opens. Hidden beneath the classic Mustang styling is a breathtaking 541 cubic inch John Kaase Boss AFI V8 engine. For performance enthusiasts, the Kaase name represents some of the finest engine craftsmanship in the world. These engines are known for their incredible power, durability, and precision engineering. But this engine takes things even further. Mounted on top is a massive 871 Roots-style supercharger, creating an unmistakable combination of old-school muscle and modern performance technology. The enormous blower dominates the engine bay and delivers the kind of visual impact that instantly tells everyone this Mustang is something special. The supercharged 541 Ci Boss V8 produces well over 600 horsepower, delivering explosive acceleration and a driving experience that feels completely different from a traditional classic Mustang. Every press of the throttle brings the engine to life. The supercharger creates an aggressive mechanical sound, the V8 delivers endless torque, and the entire vehicle responds like a machine built for performance. Unlike vintage muscle cars that often require careful tuning and maintenance, this Mustang benefits from modern electronic fuel injection technology. EFI provides improved fuel management, smoother operation, better throttle response, and more reliable performance compared with traditional carbureted setups. This means the Layla Mustang isn't just built to look impressive, it is engineered to be driven. Power from the massive Kaase engine is controlled through a heavy-duty Ford C6 3-speed automatic transmission. Known for its strength and durability, the C6 transmission has long been respected in high-performance Ford applications. It provides the confidence needed to handle the tremendous torque produced by this supercharged powerhouse. But creating extreme horsepower is only part of the equation. A true Pro Street build must be able to put that power to the pavement. That's why this Mustang features a custom 3-link rear suspension system designed to improve traction, stability, and overall handling. Combined with the tubbed rear chassis and massive rear tires, the suspension allows this classic Ford to launch with authority while maintaining control. Stopping power comes from a modern 4-wheel power disc brake system. This upgrade provides significantly improved braking performance, better heat management, and increased confidence when controlling a vehicle with this level of power. Every aspect of this build has been designed with purpose, from the aggressive exterior stance to the carefully engineered drivetrain. This Mustang represents the perfect balance between style and performance. It carries the soul of a 1967 classic while delivering technology and capability that would have been impossible when the original Mustang was created. Inside, the custom-focused cabin continues the same philosophy. The interior combines classic Mustang inspiration with modern comfort and performance touches. Every detail is designed to make the driver feel connected to the machine while enjoying the quality expected from a high-end collector vehicle. What makes the Layla Mustang truly special is the emotion it creates. Modern sports cars can be incredibly fast, but they often lack the personality and history of a classic American muscle car. This Mustang delivers something different. It provides the sound, character, and presence of a legendary 1960s icon while offering performance levels that belong in today's world. Driving this car is not just transportation, it's an experience. It's the feeling of a supercharged V8 shaking the pavement. It's the sound of horsepower echoing through the streets. It's the attention that follows every mile. It's the connection between driver and machine that makes classic cars unforgettable. The 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback Layla Pro Street Restomod is the result of passion, engineering, and imagination. It proves that a classic car doesn't have to remain trapped in the past. With the right vision, it can evolve into something even greater. This Mustang is more than a collectible. It's a rolling piece of automotive art. A machine where classic design meets modern performance. A vehicle built for enthusiasts who demand something rare, powerful, and unforgettable. From its legendary fastback body to its supercharged 541 Kaase Boss EFI V8, every part of this Mustang tells a story of craftsmanship and ambition. The 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback Layla is not just a Restomod. It is a statement that true legends never disappear. They are rebuilt, reimagined, and reborn for a new generation.